Hello, everybody. It's Mary Ellen from Create With Me, and I'm here in the Creativity Nest for another episode of Teach Me Tuesday. Come to every Tuesday at 2 o'clock. I try to, and I've been pretty faithful. And so I'm glad you're joining me, or I'm glad you're watching later, either on my Facebook page, Create With Me, or up on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So we have been showcasing, and you can go back up on my YouTube channel under Mary Ellen Stites, and you can see the cards we've been showcasing with the beautiful, gorgeous designer series paper. So I've been showing you fancy folds and ways to actually showcase the paper. Well, because of that, this is what I'm left with. I'm going to take it out of my desk. Now, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. This is what I have. I have picked all this paper up from my desk. I have scraps and scraps and lots of scraps. So today we're going to get scrappy. Okay, hi Tanya. These are all papers out of the new mini catalog, January through April, or the celebration catalog. So let me show you. We've got Flight and Airy. I've been showing you a lot of cards with that. The Be Mine paper, the softly stippled paper, the rock and roll. This is gorgeous black and white paper. I'm going to show you a card using that. Then the Sunny Days paper. And so bear with me. I'm going to kind of clean this up. I'm just going to use scraps today. I'm going to show you 3 different cards using different scraps, and you can take these and be inspired to do your own thing. So let's have fun today. I'm going to put these. I've got a little clear bag here. I'm going to try to sneak these in here so they don't just throw them around. Look at that. So you can just keep your scraps. I'm going to tell you where this stemmed from, because this week I've been cutting for a class using the Be Mine paper, and I had a friend over who was working with me, and I had a lot of scraps. And then she came back the next day and she said, "Oh, where's that scrappy paper?" And I'm like, I threw it away, because I usually will take this, and this is like almost not worth my time. But I've been playing today, and I think I've resolved, and I'm changing my evil ways. So we're going to start with the rock and roll paper. We did this card in class, and so I happen to have one of these left over from class. I found that on my desk, and so I thought, you know what, let's start with a super simple scrappy card. So I took the rock and roll paper, and I'm using the rock and roll paper as a layer. First of all, it's got this kind of white splatter paint, not splatter. What am I trying to say? Just like painting with a palette knife. And I just thought, how fun would that be to be kind of your base, and then just take a bunch of squares. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to just make it really fast and easy card. Both sides are gorgeous. This side is gorgeous too. So we're going to put down our painted paper. It's just a neutral white with just a little bit of gray and black in it. And I've just got a piece of 11 by 4 1/4 black cardstock. So then I'm going to take my scraps, and I'm going to lay them as a diamond. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay them out first and see how they're going to fit on my paper. Okay. So I would do it just like this. All right. I'm going to make sure I'm up on the screen. So now I want to go ahead and lay my paper down. I think I'm going to bring in liquid glue. I find that way it gives me time to kind of rearrange things if I need to. So we're going to start on the point. We're going to hit this corner here. We're going to hit that corner there. We're going to do the same thing down here on the bottom, but I'm going to leave a little place so I can tuck in my paper. I don't want to completely glue it down. And then this one, just like that. And then this one. Okay. Tell me if you're a scrap keeper or a scrap thrower awayer like me. I throw my scraps away. I feel like all the time, I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. I'm just going to throw it away. That's really just a 1 1/4 inch square of cardstock or designer series paper cut into 4 squares. a little background. This could be cardstock, this could be designer series paper. Then I'm going to take this piece that I had left over from my class, and I'm going to lay that down just like this. I want to keep the look of the square, so I'm going to try to go all the way over here just like that. Hold on. Just like this. And then I have a another piece of the designer series paper that I cut out with my snips. Just one of these really funky, cool guitars. I'm going to use a little bit of glue just to hold the head of the guitar down. And then this paper, this suite, I don't know if you're familiar with it, comes with some amazing embellishments. These are called adhesive back lightning and stars. So we're going to use some of these embellishments on here, and I think I'm going to use my take your pick tool, and I'm just going to pick up some of these lightning pieces. I may just need my fingers. Okay, I'm going to take two, just like that. And there's a super simple card just using scrap paper. Okay. Hi, Nancy. You keep your scraps. Okay. I'm a scrap thrower awayer. I just don't usually keep them. The next one is another super simple card, and I'm going to use some scraps from the Sunny Days. Now, I went to put this together and design a card, and I thought, oh, where's my stamp set that's in the mini catalog? You know what? I don't even own it. So guess what? We're going to modify it. I'm not going to change what I'm doing. I'm just going to change and keep my paper the same. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to just take scraps. These are literally scraps off my desk. I'm going to take them and lay them on my card. This is kind of a block card, okay? So this kind of is a block card. And then I love both sides of this paper. It's gorgeous. This paper is free paper. This is out of the Sale A Bration brochure. You can get it for a $50 order. Lovely paper. I've used it on several cards and didn't even realize I didn't even have the stamp set. Don't even need it, okay? So there's my block. So it's just simple blocks. Just block, you could do it like this. I've got another one. I'm going to just lay it out for you just so you can see it using the other side of the paper. I'm not going to make this one into a card, but I wanted you to see that you could just lay this down. Let's see which way this goes. But look how different. What if you put this up here, the same paper, and then laid this down here, and what a different kind of look you can get. So there's my two cards, and I'm going to make this one into a card. You could add ribbon, you could add whatever you want. I punched, since I didn't have the dies or the stamp sets, I decided this would make an adorable little baby card. So I cut out from Little Dreamers the little elephant, and I colored him. So I've got him there, and then I've got A Star is Born. I punched out of the cloud punch, and I'm going to use a little bit of glue, and I'm going to lay my clouds right here. This one's going to be popped up. A Star is Born, I stamped on it from Little Dreamers. And then we're going to just add our little elephant. What do you think? I think here would be super cute. And because it says A Star is Born, let's add some stars from the same. Oh, let's add these. These are Pool Party. Hold on. There we go. Okay, let's add. Hello, Kathleen. Let's add a couple stars from the Stars and Lightning. Lightning and stars. Stars and lightning, lightning and stars. We got to do three. I'd usually do three. I think I'm going to put one up over here. Isn't that cute? So super cute, just using scraps off my desk. So that's all I did. And then now I've got a little baby card ready, lickety split. So let's do one more. We're going to do one more. And you saw a lot. I have a lot of the Be Mine paper. Be Mine. Yes, my sister just got down there yesterday. Kathleen's saying that it's gorgeous there. I asked her, today's her birthday. I said, happy birthday. How's the weather? She said, it's beautiful, but I'm so busy inside. I can't even enjoy it. So we're going to be down in a couple weeks. We're going to go down for a visit. And so I'm looking forward to it. I hope you keep the weather good because it's been super, super icy here. So here's one just using scraps. These are 2.25 inch by 3/4 of an inch. And I'm just going to take a piece of white cardstock. This is basic white. Hi, Beth. Basic white cardstock. And I'm just going to lay down some adhesive. And all I'm doing is, again, these are scrappy cards. So we're going to kind of lay our pieces out, see what we've got and how we want to lay this out. I'm going to start with this cute little bee here on the end. And all I'm doing is covering my adhesive, okay? 3/4 inch strips by 2.25. Oh, let's see. I think I'll put that little heart next to it. Some flowers. We need some flowers, but I want that little bee. He's so cute. Okay, so another pattern piece. I love this little yellow plaid. I think I'm going to use the honey pots because our card is going to say, "Sweet, you're as sweet as honey," and then I'm going to finish it out with this stripe right here. I'm not going to worry about that. Then this is, so there's our scraps. I will be in Venice. So Kathleen asked me where I was going to be. Hi, Lee. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my snips. I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to Orlando first with the kids, the girls. Just grab, I'm cutting this off camera because it's just going to make a mess on my desk for a week. And then sending them home on a plane. And me and my aunt are going to get a car and drive down to Venice. So we should probably stop by on our way to see you. Now I'm going to layer this on black, okay, just like that. So you can see what I'm doing, and just a little bit of layer. So let's get our adhesive out again. So it's starting out very kind of plain, but we're going to make it a little extraordinary, I'm going to say. I just want just a smidge of color. See how there's just a little black. I'm going to lay my card out on a diagonal. So I'm going to have this be my image just like that. So I want tape on almost all of it, maybe not quite at the ends. And I'm going to lay it out on a diagonal. I'm going to open my card and I am going to snip the edges that overhang just like that. And I'm going to cut this one like that. And then I'm going to show you my finished card. So see how cute it is, just being just on this little angle, just like that. And then we're going to stamp it. And what you're going to end up with is a card like this. I had the little, I had cut these out with snips for this class. We just added "You're as sweet as honey," and then the little honey pots. So cute. So there's 3 ways. We'll put this finished ones out. Just to use scraps. So get your scraps off your desk. I know, I'm talking to myself because I'm terrible. I just usually throw those in the garbage because I just don't have time to mess with it. I'm trying to get it so it's on the screen. There you go. So super cute, super great ideas. This is literally only a drop in the bucket. I thought this was going to take me like 30 minutes. So it's only been 13 minutes. I'm super happy about that. Get your scraps and then show me what you're doing. So in the video header, it has the link for my creativity group. Go ahead and join that group and show me your scrappy cards, okay? I would love it if you would share your scrappy cards with me. I'm going to keep playing with my scraps, and I will post some cards to it too. So you guys, I know, I think I'm breaking up just a little bit. You guys have a great day.